It's boiling.
I smell that sulfuric though.
Really? Pretty hot.
Right now, just here.
Is there more there? More bubblies?
The ones that smoke are stinkier. Like, it's just stinkier
Oh, yeah?
here. It really smells bad. It smells like a disgusting fart. I can die at farts. There's like smoke coming out of there too.
Yep.
How else you heat it up? Hot.